Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to share with you how you can get all sticker in your WhatsApp account. Okay, so this video is going to very short and quick. Okay, so just follow my step, then you will learn. Okay, before the tutorial starts, you are requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem or if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So here you can see the WhatsApp app. So you have to click in your own WhatsApp account. So I click on it and choose a user who, who is whose ID you want to send a uh, sticker. So I choose this one, and after that we want to you need to go this icon. Here you can see click, this is emoji icon, right? So when you click on this, then you will get all emoji here. Okay, so swipe right, then you get all types of emoji in your ID. So if you want to get a sticker, then you have to go here. This is the last right side of your, here you can see the right side. Okay, just click on this. Okay, I click on this. So here you can see a few sticker I have downloaded, so you can see this. Okay, so if you want to get all sticker, and if you want to get all sticker in your WhatsApp account, then you have to click here. You can see the circle, and inside the plus icon, just click on this, and after that here you can see all sticker will appeared. Okay, so scroll down and you have to choose which sticker you want to get in your WhatsApp account. So choose a sticker, or you can download all sticker if you want. So I just show you, I want to choose this one. Okay, after choosing your sticker, you have to click here to download this one, and when you click on this, and it takes a few seconds. Okay, so click on this, and here you can see all types of sticker. So how you can use this sticker? Okay, so go back from this, and here you can see the option. Just click on the right side sticker icon, and here you can see sticker, all sticker are animating. Okay, so when you click on this, then your sticker will be sent to your friend. Okay, and it looks great. Okay, friends, you can use it in your own WhatsApp account and share to your friend. And today is no more, and please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.